Hi and welcome to Happy Kitty Kitchen. We hope you're in the mood for something on the sweet side because we're showing you how to make the most decadent, delicious, and ultimate sticky date cake. Ingredients are at the end of the video and description box as usual. Now, when date harvest season arrives, I take the overly ripened dates, peel them and remove the pits, then freeze them to make this cake whenever I want. If you don't have access to fresh dates, you can use dehydrated dates. Soak them in room temperature water for 15 to 20 minutes just so it will be easier for you to peel them. Or you can leave the peel on and just remove the pits, but trust me, removing the peel really elevates the texture and overall look of the cake. Only after peeling and pitting should you measure your rehydrated dates to 300 grams. And then throw them in a mixing bowl, pour over a cup of boiling water and just start mashing. We're going to add in some sodium bicarbonate or baking soda just so it can help it break down and soften the dates. In another bowl, let's start mixing our butter and sugar, and I'm using dark brown sugar here, but feel free to use brown sugar. Then we're going to be adding in our eggs and mixing those two. Gradually add in the flour and softened dates. Just make sure that the dates have cooled down so that the eggs in the mixture don't get cooked from really hot temperature dates. Mix everything up really well and pour your batter into a pan that you have coated with butter or oil just so that the cake will not stick to it and release from the pan very easily. In a preheated oven, I'm going to pour in some water in a pan on the lowest rack to create a humid environment for the cake not to dry out. Set the oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 30 or 40 minutes. Keep an eye on your cake. Each oven is different, so I can't really give you a solid fixed time. You're going to have to figure it out by yourself by doing the poking method and seeing if the wooden stick runs clear or not. Anyway, pop the cake pan in there and let's start working on our sauce. In a pot, start with low heat and we're going to melt our butter, dark brown sugar, and heavy cream. Slowly keep increasing the heat and keep whisking to make sure nothing at the bottom of the pan burns and for everything to just melt and mix very well. Bring the whole mixture to a boil, and once the whole mixture has thickened, remove from the heat. This process may take about 10 to 12 minutes. You can see the thickness of your sauce by running your finger on the back of the spoon, and it won't hurt to give the sauce a taste while you're at it. Once the cake is done, poke many holes in it, then smother it in the sauce so it can seep into the cake. Let it soak up the sauce for a couple of minutes before you pop the cake out of the pan, then pour the remaining sauce right on top of it. I lightly toasted some walnuts to decorate the top of the cake, and voila, it's cake eating time. Many people like a scoop of vanilla ice cream with their warm sticky date cake, or date pudding as some may call it, but I personally like to skip the ice cream because this cake is so rich in flavor and so nummy nom that it doesn't need to share the spotlight with any other dessert. Give it a try and let us know what you think. And as usual, have a great day from Happy Kitty Kitchen. Bye!